Hey, hi! Here's our dog. His name is Bruno. What is his name? Very good. Oh, Bruno is saying hello to you. Can you speak like him? Boo, boo. Say boo, boo. Very, very good. Oh, so cute. You're my best friend. Say hello to our friends. She's my cat. Cat says meow, meow to you. Can you say meow, meow? Say meow, meow.
Meow, meow.
Very good. Let's again say meow, meow.
Meow, meow.
Very, very good. You're my darling. Jimmy loves the dog and the cat. Now he's again playing. He will not cry again. Do you like my cat?
Yes.
She is very cute. Do you want to see more animals?
Yes.
You want to see more animals? But we will have to go to a forest. Should we go to a forest?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Let's go to the forest by magic. She is a cow. She says moo. Can you say moo? Very good. Oh, here is a sheep. A sheep? Can you say sheep?
Sheep.
Say it again.
Sheep.
Very good. Come with me. Let's find more. Shh. Can you hear this sound? She is a cuckoo. Cuckoo is a bird. Cuckoo lives on trees. Oh, there she is. Shh. Let's listen to what she's saying. She says, cuckoo. Oh, look, there is a crow. Crow says, cow, cow. It makes lots of noise. Oh, there is a parrot too. It's a bird. Let's listen to what it says. Can you copy him?
No.
I love him. Do you like him?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I want to go home. Do you want to see more animals?
No.
Hi. Do you want to see more videos?
Yes.
Here are many videos. You can click on any one of them. You can click on them and watch them.